Hello, everybody out there. Yesterday, my brother and myself got some training from um, one of the top 100 earners in our business at Empire Network, and he absolutely cut our time in half on what we need to do to explore our dreams. And just want to let you guys know that anything I can do to help any of you, give me a call or go to my website at www.bloggingprofitsonline.com and take a look at the video. I'm available anytime. Send me a message, and you guys have a great day. I can't say this is going to make you wealthy or make you a lot of money or anything like that, but there's a lot of great things going on here, guys. I'm serious about what I'm telling you, and have a nice day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.